Twistar was developed based on the concepts of flexibility, convenience, and quality. The 4 types of modules and new functions enable it to sell not only beverages and food, but a variety of other products. It uses space-saving twist racks for smooth conveyance of cans and PET bottles. Spiral racks are suitable for conveying soft packaged goods. Using different attachments will ensure that screw racks convey even small items. Conveyor racks can convey large products too, such as cartons and box lunches. Products that are conveyed by the various modules are gently and promptly delivered to the customer by the elevator tray. The 4 types of modules can be changed easily, requiring no tools. Optimal column arrangements allow a diverse range of products to be sold. Twistar is also equipped with 2 refrigeration modes. It can be changed in accordance with the product sold or the location. In addition, it has normal temperature mode, enabling a variety of other products to be sold. It not only makes buying fun, but installing multiple machines can also fully automate stores and bolster advertising and the power of brands. Great expectations are held for it to become a new tool in communication. The development of these new products will be based in Japan, from where they will spread throughout new Chinese and ASEAN markets and the rest of the world. It's the birth of Twistar, a multi-purpose vending machine. It will answer to a world of diversifying needs and create new opportunities. Its convenient and comfortable services will provide gentle support to people's daily lives, heading hand in hand toward the future with people. Fuji Electric's vending machines will continue to evolve.